And I'm your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, if you weren't aware. Here at the Smash News Network, we cover lots of different topics, meteorology being one of them. And I would note there could be a Church of Moloch meeting happening at perhaps Iceland, as we see a 666 forming here in the North Atlantic. You can see these three different rotating systems here, making for a satanic triangle of 666s. Perhaps a gateway to hell has opened at Iceland, at Fagradalsfjall. In any case, here are the surface winds, and we've got some strong winds off of the east coast of southern South America as well here. Anyway, here are the jet streams of the Western world. Here are the jet streams of the Eastern world. Quite chaotic jet stream flows there in the Southern Hemisphere. And here are the surface winds since we showed you the West. Here are the East. And a very strong system here south of Australia, close to the South Geomagnetic Pole, I would note. Let's see if we can get a wind speed. At least 60 mile per hour winds down there. Let's get a little closer, see if we can get an even higher reading here. There are 60 mile per hour winds. And another strong system here off the coast of New Zealand as well. Anyway, that's nullschool.net. We're looking at surface winds. Again, there are the jet streams. Continuing on, here are pressure cells. It's windy.com. And we're going to advance this to the GFS forecast. There's the GFS forecast for pressure tomorrow at noon Eastern time. Here's a real-time lightning map. I like to use lightningmaps.org for my real-time lightning maps. And we see some lightning in the Gulf of Mexico and off the east coast of the U.S. I don't see any terrestrial lightning right now. Here's a U.S. Doppler radar map. And the rain is moving out of the mid-Atlantic states here. Some snow in North Dakota, Montana, and Wyoming. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's too dark to see the clouds. We use the NASA GOES shortwave radiation map, 3.9 nanometers. And here's the water vapor, and you can see this dry mass of air slowly making its way to the east. And again, here's the cloud layer. And there's the water vapor. And that's today's meteorology segment. Thanks to our Twitch viewers. It's time to say goodbye to Twitch. Twitch viewers, don't forget to check us out on YouTube, youtube.com/smashamash, where our main content is located.